Hello everybody, it's Jenny here from Jenny Wren Designs. I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful paper rose. I have used them on my spring wreath, dotted amongst the eggs on this little bird's nest. The great thing about this project is you don't need to use expensive materials. What you will need some paper. You can use any colour. The only thing you can't use is very thick cardstock. You'll need something to roll the paper with. I have a kebab stick. You can use a pencil. I have got a template, but you don't need a template if you don't want to use a template. You can simply cut a spiral. You'll need something to cut it with, some scissors, and you'll need your glue gun. And that's all you'll need. So we'll get started. If you want to save time, you can cut more than one template. So I'm going to actually fold my paper in four. And then I'm going to place the template on top and just cut around them. I find it easier to use small little nail scissors, but I've done it with bigger scissors and it's neither here nor really. And you just cut the spiral. Almost done. It reminds me of peeling an orange. As kids, when we used to peel oranges, we used to throw the spiraled peel on the floor, and if it landed in a certain letter, that would be the person we would end up marrying. So for argument's sake, if it was an R and we knew somebody with the letter R, that's who we were going to marry. I wonder if any of you had that sort of tradition growing up. Funny how things come back to you. I find crafting very meditative, and it's lovely to let your thoughts wander. And yeah, I haven't thought about that for years, so that's something really quite sweet. Yep, there it is. You simply roll the paper around the stick. There it is. You can just slide it off now. And then it falls out into this cute little rose. And then the back of this little circle here just gets stuck. So I'm just going to pop some glue now on this. And then just pop it on the bottom. The great thing about this is that even if you make a mistake, it doesn't matter. It can be a bit fiddly, but they have such a great result, it's worth the effort. Ready for your projects? The great thing about Mod Podge is that it's a sealant and it also dries clear. Not only have I used it on the roses to protect them and make them waterproof, I've also used them on my little bunting here. It's going to stop the edges fraying on this burlap ribbon, and it's also going to add as a secondary adhesive for the lettering that I applied on the ribbon. So all in all, it's a super easy way and a super effective way to either glue or to make things waterproof. If you wanted to do it by eye, you can pick anything up that's got a round circular base. You can use a saucer. I happen to have a moss reel here. It's perfect size for what I want to create. You can do it single. If you want to make more, you can fold the paper, double, triple, whatever. Save time, of course. Trace around the outline of the circle. And if you want varying sizes, You could have the bigger one here, then make a smaller one next to it so you don't waste anything. And then you just cut the circle out and start the spiral. Just going to even up there. And that's it.